This Instagram page gains 250,000 new followers each month. They accomplish this by sharing dark-themed motivational videos. They created their clothing brand and turned an ordinary Instagram account into a profitable business. Let me explain how to create these kinds of videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube videos. We'll walk you through every stage of developing these videos, from writing the script to locating stock footage and finalizing the editing to make it seem amazing. So pay attention. Let's take a quick step back. These videos share a few key and similar features. They all use a dark background, creating a cool and mysterious vibe. An AI-generated voice narrates over this background, adding an intriguing and engaging twist. Captions are also used to keep viewers engaged and ensure they catch every word. In summary, these videos combine a dark background, an AI voice, and captions to enhance your viewing experience. Before going forward, tell me in the comments what one strategy can help an Instagram account gain 250,000 followers each month. Since it's 2024, we have access to advanced AI, like ChatGPT. We're going to ask this AI to help us come up with 12 quotes about wolves, which are aggressive animals, so in line with the theme of the page, which is a motivational theme page. You can also choose different animals like lions or eagles if you prefer. We started by asking ChatGPT, give me 10 wolf-based quotes, and it gave us some nice short ones. However, our goal is to make a slightly longer video, so we need longer quotes to match. So we got back to ChatGPT and asked it for longer quotes. ChatGPT got a bit carried away and gave us really long quotes, which might not fit well in the video. So we asked for medium-length quotes instead. Once you have these quotes, read through them and pick the ones that sound best and fit your theme. Another option is to search Google for lion quotes, for example, and you'll find plenty of good ones from various websites. Now, once you've picked the quote you like, just copy it from ChatGPT. After that, head over to 11 Labs. You'll need to make an account there first. Once you're in, you can create a special voice. Paste the quote you picked earlier into the generator on 11 Labs. But here's the cool part. We're going to tweak the quote a bit. We want it to feel like we're talking directly to the person watching, so they feel emotional and motivated. To make that happen, add an extra sentence at the end of the quote. For instance, you could say you have a choice, either be a wolf or be a loser, something catchy like that. Before going forward, tell me in the comments what animal-themed quotes resonate with you the most for motivational content. Wolves, lions, eagles, or bears, and why? Now let's pick the voice you want for the quote. I suggest using the Adam's voice because it matches this style really well. Once you've made your choice, hit the generate button. Let's give it a shot and see how it sounds.
Wolves are not just predators, they are complex social animals with a deep sense of family and community. Their lives are a testament to the power of cooperation, loyalty, and resilience in the face of adversity.
This sounds really nice. We finished the voiceover part. Now we need to find some motivational music to play in the background. No need to worry, I already did the research, so you don't have to worry. Go to TikTok and search a TikTok account called The Funk Face. On that account, you'll discover many different trending motivational songs that would go well with our content. Take your time and pick the one you like the most. Let's turn our attention to stock footage. First, we need to gather this footage, and there are several ways to do it. One effective method is using Instagram, which surprisingly has a wealth of suitable videos. Start by heading to Instagram and using the search feature to find videos of the specific animal featured in your project, like wolves or lions. This search will reveal numerous high-quality videos that perfectly match our theme. These videos from Instagram's community offer a good quality of visuals that align with our theme. Now we're going to talk about another way to get those videos. This method involves using special videos that you can use without any worries about copyright issues. To find these videos, you'll need to go to certain websites that offer them for free. One really good website is called Pexels.com, where you can find a lot of videos and pictures that you can use without any fear of getting in trouble for using them. Another website you can check out is Mixkit.com. It's like a backup option in case you can't find what you need on Pexels.com. You can pick and choose the ones that fit your video idea perfectly. You can add them to your video creation without worrying that someone might say you're using their stuff. Now let's move on to the video editing phase. Import all the videos and audios you need. Start with the voiceover and drag it into the sequence to refine its sound. Begin by cutting out all the empty parts to ensure the voiceover is clean and fast-paced. Now let's take the videos we found and add them to our project by simply dragging and dropping them into the sequence. So we need to change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Let's trim out the unwanted parts and use a variety of videos to keep your project engaging. This way, viewers won't get bored as they see different scenes and visuals. You can also set video like this. Now let's edit the pictures to fit a dark theme. Start with the first one, go to Adjustments, and tweak the settings as shown on the screen. First, you need to decrease saturation and brightness just like this. Don't forget to increase contrast and highlight around 8 and 3. Also decrease shadow and illumination and note down these values in front. Increase sharpen, particles, and fade little bit. Make sure to increase vignette with a value around 20 or 35. Repeat the same for the second footage. Next, let's add some effects, and feel free to explore and add any effects you like by simply dragging and dropping them onto the video. Finally, you can add transitions between the videos. I recommend using the left transition for a cool effect. Repeat this for each video transition, and you're all set. Then add some movement in every video. I recommend using the pendulum 1 or 2 as they make the video look good. And again, you can go through all the effects and choose whatever you like. Once you've completed all those steps, it's time to move on to the next part. First, find the text option. Then look for auto captions and click on it. When you hit that create button, the software generates subtitles. These subtitles are words that appear on the screen and they're really helpful. They make sure that even if someone can't hear what's being said, they can still read and understand it, which boosts the retention. What makes CapCut a good software is that everything it offers is absolutely free. Now, to make the subtitles look good, go to Animation, then Caption, and select the short sentence scaling option so the captions are displayed quite nicely. Now add shadow, change the font into any font you like. The font used here is not very good anyway. Feel free to use whatever font you like. Then add the music you downloaded earlier from TikTok channel I told you about and lower down music volume. Let's see the end result.
Wolves are not just predators. They are complex social animals with a deep sense of family and community. Their lives are a testament to the power of cooperation, loyalty, and resilience in the face of adversity. You have a choice. Either be a wolf or be a loser.
If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to our channel.